Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online lessons we offer. As I may have mentioned in previous videos, my son plays in a little Sunday league football team, which means every Sunday morning I have to be up at the crack of dawn. I then drag my son out of bed, make sure he gets his kit on, and off we head to play football against other teams of 9 and 10-year-olds in North London. While he's playing, I usually chat to the other parents who are gathered there, and sometimes I meet new people because their kids have recently joined the football team. Last week I got talking to one of the dads whose son has just joined up, and as we were talking I asked him what he did for a living, and he told me with a slightly sheepish, a slightly embarrassed look on his face that he was an accountant. He then added, "For my sins." If you say that something happens or that you have to do something for your sins, it's a way of suggesting that a job or a task is so awful that it must be some kind of punishment. It's often used in this kind of joking way. So somebody in an office might say, "Oh, I'm now in charge of the storeroom for my sins." Or you might say, "I have to work tomorrow for my sins." Or maybe when you're talking about people you know, no, he was transferred from the head office in London and he's now based in Reading for his sins. In all of these cases, there's a kind of humorous suggestion that this is some kind of divine punishment for things that you've done that were bad in the past. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use "for your sins," "for my sins," "for his sins," "for her sins."